Hi everyone, in front of me is ULEFONE Note 8P, and let me share with you how to change video quality on this device. So first of all, let's find and open the camera app. Let's tap on it, and here we have to switch to the video mode. So let's tap on it, and since you can see this camera icon inside the shutter button, it means that for sure you're on the video mode. Now we can enter the settings, which are in the left upper corner, and as you can see here we've got the video quality option. So let's tap on it, and here we've got some actually 4 different options from which we can choose. We've got the HD, VGA, which is right now applied. This option is marked, but we can set also CIF and QVGA. So it's really up to you which option you'd like to use. I highly recommend to set HD because this is the best possible quality in this device. So all you have to do to change the quality is to just tap on the option you would like to use, and as you can see, it immediately changes. So it means that from now on your device will record videos in chosen quality. So actually this is it. This is how to change video quality in your ULEFONE Note 8P. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.